Good afternoon, children. Please sit down. So let's start with the revision class of block 6. What is the name of our block? Types of adaptation. So our first lesson is about adaptation in movement, right? So can you give me some examples so that we can understand how the different animals move? Yes, Akshara?
Example bats.
Mm.
Ma'am, their wings are made of skin
Mm.
to let them to fly.
Help them to fly. Very good. Please sit down. Only bats or other birds also? Other birds. The birds generally have wings so that they can move. First of all, tell me why the animals have to move. Yes, Stacy?
Ma'am, to protect themselves and to protect themselves from predators and the weather.
And
Weather.
weather conditions to protect themselves from predator and
To adapt.
in search of food also they need to move, right? So in search of food, please sit down. And to protect themselves from the predators, the animals have to move. And the birds have wings so that they can move, fly in the sky. Okay? Only that. What about any other? Yes, Gautam?
Fish.
Fish. What does a fish have? Where does a fish live?
Fish have wings and tails.
Fins.
Fins and tails.
Where does it live? Water. In the water, the fish are there and they use their fins and tails to move in the water. Isn't it? Yes. And birds, fish, and sit on Gautam. Very good. Anything else? Yes. Akshara, your chance finished. Yes, Ritam.
Ma'am, snails have body muscles to crawl on the surface.
Yes. So, if you see the snail will be crawling on the ground or the surface. It uses its body muscles to move. And what about the other animals like cats, dogs, horses? Yes.
The cats will move. When the snails travel only 27 meters per day.
I'm talking about the other animals like cats, dogs, lions. How do they move?
And horse moves with its limbs.
With its limbs. Yes, that means the legs. We call it as limbs. The upper limbs and the lower limbs have turned into the legs for them so that they can move on the ground. What about a duck?
And a duck it walks on the webbed.
With the help of webbed feet. It can walk on the land and also it can swim in the water. And now you tell me about the sloth.
When the sloth travels only
37.
37 meters per day, which is not half of the football
Ground. Okay. It is the slowest animal. Like it walks very slow and it only travels only 37 meters. Please sit down. Okay. It will travel only 37 meters only per day. So that is about the movement of the animals, right? Now let's move on to the second lesson, which is body covering. Can you name different body coverings the animals have? Yes, Stacy?
porcupine have spines.
Porcupines have spines on their body to protect themselves from the predators. Spines is one thing. Next, Ishan.
Polar bear have thick layer of the fur which protects it from the cold.
The fur. Okay, very good. Next, Shritam, tell me one more. Other than
Ma'am, the tortoise have shell to protect from the predators.
shell. That means we have completed with 3. Wait, Akshara. So it is fur. What did you say, Stacy?
Spines.
Spines, and you said
Shell.
Shell. Other than these three, you have to tell Akshara.
Feathers.
Feathers. Very good. Feathers. The birds have feathers to keep their bodies warm. Very good. Gautam, can you tell one more?
And snake.
What does it have? Very good. Snake is correct. What does it have as its body covering?
Skin.
Skin? On the skin, what does it have? Scales. Very good. Scales. Animals, snakes have dry scales, and which animals have wet scales? Please sit down, Gautam. Wet scales. Yes, Stacy?
Mom, fish have wet scales.
Fish have wet scales and the snake have dry scales. Why do these animals have scales on their body?
Mom, snake have dry scales to conserve water from skin.
It conserves water and
And it does not get rough.
it will not get injured. Okay, to protect its body from injuries, it has that scales and also to conserve the water. Very good. Please sit down. So these are the different body coverings animals have. Now let's move on to breathing organs, which is our lesson number 3, adaptation and breathing organs. So do all the animals have same breathing organs? No. Now let's discuss one by one. Let's start from Gautam. Gautam, tell me one breathing organ of any animal which is different from lungs. Akshara, can you say? Yeah.
Mom, skin.
Skin. Can you give an example?
Earthworm.
Earthworms. Earthworms breathe through their skin. Very good. Shritam. Next one, other than skin. Spiracles. Who have spiracles?
Mom, insects.
Insects. Like
Grasshopper.
grasshopper. What do you mean by spiracles?
Mom, the holes on the body.
Holes, breathing holes on their body are called spiracles. Ishan, can you tell me another example?
Blowhole.
Blowhole. For
Where have blowhole?
yeah.
Ma'am, it breathes from the back of it.
Yes. So they come to the surface of the water and they use their blowhole to breathe. Very good. Stacy, one more.
Mom, fish have gills to breathe.
Fishes uses gills to breathe. What about a frog? Gautam. Frogs, human beings, what do they have? A horse. Anybody? Yes, Akshara?
Mom, nostrils.
They have nostrils to breathe and they have lungs inside their body which are internal organs which helps for breathing. Please sit down, Nana. So this is your lesson number 3. Now coming to lesson number 4, eating and social habits. That means how do they eat and how do they behave, how do they live. That also let's see. Now how the animals are divided into based on their eating habits. Yes, Stacy?
Herbivorous, carnivorous, and omnivorous.
Very good. Ishan, can you tell me about herbivores, please?
Herbivores have broad teeth which helps to chew the grass.
That means they eat the grass and plant parts. So they need a broad teeth. Very good. Can you tell me about carnivorous?
Carnivorous eat the animals that are smaller than them.
Can we say they eat the flesh of other animals? No? Yes? No? So, how the teeth are present in their mouth?
And there's a sharp
They have sharp and pointed teeth. Now, Akshara, can you tell me about omnivorous?
Omnivores eat both plants and meat.
Omnivorous eat
Both plants and meat.
flesh of other animals, that is meat. Very good. Please sit down. Now, these are based on the eating habits we have learned. Now, what about the social habits? How do they live? Some animals live in groups. What it is called as? For ants, what it is called as? Stacy, madam.
None ants live in colonies.
What about elephants?
None they live in herds.
So, those are group. Lions. Pride. Okay, each group of animal, please sit down. Each group of animals which are living in groups of their same species, they have a group, and those groups have different names. Pride of elephants, school of fish, okay, herd of elephants, herd of buffaloes, also it is called as herd only. Okay, so based on that they have names. And these animals, why do you think they live in groups?
Ma'am, to protect them.
Raise your hand for answering. Ishan.
Protect themselves.
To protect themselves from the predators. Okay, and can you name some animals which live single? Sit down, please.
Sometimes.
Yes, a tiger. So they can live in single. They live alone. Okay. Honeybees also, they live in group. Wolves, fox also, they live in group. Only few animals are there who live very alone. Okay. And animals, some animals are very sensitive to some things. Some animals, yes,
Ma'am, dogs.
dogs. What are they sensitive to?
Ma'am, they can hear the voice. They can detect if there is an earthquake or something.
Yeah, they have very great of sense organs, super sense organs we can say. Very sensitive. Slightest movement also they will collect it or react to it. Okay, not only the dogs, it might be rabbits also. Okay, some animals have very sensitive eyesight. Can you name any animal which have very sharp eyesight? Yes.
None eagles have very sharp eyes.
Yeah, because it, even though it flies very high in the sky, but it can clearly, please sit down, clearly see where the prey is. Okay, where the food is present. Okay, so in this way we have done with our block 6 revision class. Thank you, children. Please sit down.